As part of your Arrowhead Google Apps account, you have access to Picasa for photos and video. When you are logged in, go to More and Photo. This will take you to the web-based version of Picasa. In the center top of the screen, you'll see the Upload button. From here, you can choose to create a new album, or you can add to an existing album. This is where you would select photos from your computer. If you have photos stored on a portable device and do not have a cord to connect it to your computer, you can use an app called Bump to take the photos from your device to your computer through a website called BU.MP and follow the instructions on the screen. It's very easy and convenient. Let's go back to some existing albums. Inside an album, you have a few options. You can choose to add photos directly here. You can share it via email. You can make prints. Inside Actions, you can adjust the properties, which most interesting part is probably the visibility, who can see your images. You also can add captions to describe what's going on in each picture. You can delete the entire album. You could download it to a Picasa version that lives on your computer. You can make a collage, or you can make a movie. You can also choose to organize your photos by dragging and dropping them around until you are satisfied with the way they look. If you want to share your web album with another person, you would click the Share button on the right-hand side. From here, anybody in your Google Apps contact email book could be added, and you can allow these people to contribute photos to your album. That's the basics of the online version of Picasa. Now let's look at the PC or computer version of it. Here, when I download this program, it scours my entire hard drive for every single picture and video file I have and organizes it over here. If you delete something from folders, it will delete it from your computer, so please be careful. Albums is what lives on the web. From here, I can choose to do a couple of different things. I can make a collage, or I can make a movie presentation of my pictures. So I'm going to first start with collage. When you click on the button, it opens up a page like this with all of the images. You can choose an image to remove if you wish. Click on it, hit your delete key, and it removes it. You can drag them around, you can spin them, you can make them bigger. You can do all kinds of things here. When you think you are satisfied with the way things look in the layout, you can hit Create Collage. Now it will process. Once your collage has processed, you have a bunch of other options available. Crop, straighten, red eye. Creative Kit can add things like stars and hearts and different effects, text. You can also change some of the brightness features. You can change the whole look of it to sepia, black and white. And there's all kinds of other features that you can do here. Now to make a movie, you would click on this little film, and it opens up all of your clips into movie. On this movie tab, this is where you can upload an audio track, you can change the transition between your images, and you can upload your final movie to YouTube if you wish. Here, when you are satisfied with the way things are set up, you can click Create Movie. The creation process can take some time. When it is done, you can choose to upload it to YouTube or export the clip to some other device. This has just been a brief look at Picasa.